Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to save WhatsApp documents photo in your iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and you will receive any document photo and now you want to save in your device, I will help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection in your iPhone or iPad, and after this you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general, and from here you need to set your date and time on automatically, and after this disconnect your VPN if connected. And now you need to go back, open your app store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. After searching it, open your WhatsApp and you need to check for update. If your app is not updated, then you need to update your app first, and after doing this you need to go back. So guys, now simply you have to open your WhatsApp and you need to open that photo, document photo, and you will see this type of photo, and simply you have to click on that photo, and here is the option of share button, click on it. And guys, when you have scroll it down, and here you will see the option of save image, simply you have to click on it, and guys, after this that image will be saved in your gallery in your iPhone or iPad. So guys, this is the very easy method to do this. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.